class we are going to see about the basic tool extrude and revolve in the modeling software. So initially first for opening a new document, you have to go file and you have to click on new. So it will ask for part assembly and drawing. In this you can go part and give object. So in the part modeling, initially you have to start with the sketcher module. So first you have to click on sketch. Then it will ask for plane, in which plane you have to start. So initially you can select any plane based on the component geometry. Initially I am selecting front plane. Once if you are selecting front plane, that will be normal to us. So then you have to create whatever the geometry you have to create. You have to create the geometry, and after creating the geometry, you have to click exit sketch. For creating a geometry, I will show another drawing. So in this drawing, if you are seeing for this object, initially we have created the sketch like this. So if you are considering this sketch, so I am going on edit sketch. So initially we have created this sketch. You have to give all the dimensions. Actually this one is before dimensioning. Once if you are giving all the dimensions, all the colors will come into black color. So that will be a fully constrained geometry. Once completing this geometry, you have to go for exit sketch. So after giving exit sketch, you go to features, and if you want to create the revolved feature, you go to revolved bus and select the sketch, and after selecting the sketch, you will get this geometry. For a rotating view, just look at this. So this is the extruded geometry. So this command is used for creating a revolving geometry. Similarly, if you want to create an object with some extruded thickness like this means, you have to create a circle in a sketcher module, then go to extruded boss, then you can create the geometry. Actually, this diagram consists of two features. One is revolve and another one is cut extrude. So if you are seeing cut extrude, there you have another sketcher module. This circle is the sketch, and it was extruded throughout the length. So that's why internally we have created a hole in this. So this is the hole. So that's all about extrude and revolve geometry. Okay. For this I will just create an extruded mask. So after opening the SolidWorks environment, you have to go file and give new file, and in that select part and give OK. So after the part environment is opening, you have to go to sketcher module, click on sketch for creating a sketch. Once if you are click on sketch, it will ask for the plane which to select. You can select any plane based on the geometry, and for this feature I just select the front plane. So you have to draw the front view of the object. So for drawing the object, now I will just draw a cube shape like that. So I will select rectangle module, rectangle 2. So just select it. Actually in the rectangle itself you are having many options. I am selecting center rectangle, or we can select corner rectangle also. I will select corner rectangle. So corner rectangle means 2 points you have to pick. So I am selecting this point as the first point and this point as the second point. So after creating the geometry, the dimension is not yet defined. So the lines are in blue color. That means it is not constrained fully. For constraining this, you have to go to smart dimension and click on the line. Just click on the line and drag it and pick it here. It will ask for dimension. I will just give 50 mm and click enter. Once you are clicking enter, one portion is constrained. So I will select this portion also. This also I will give us 50. So if you are, and give enter. So if you look at this, all the colors changed into black color. That means it is fully constrained. And once it is fully constrained, here you may not see that minus sign. If it is not, see, just if it is not fully constrained and deleting this dimension, you can able to see a minus sign. That means it is not fully constrained. So you have to give all the dimension to constrain it fully. Okay. Then after constraining this, give exit sketch. So now it is fully constrained. So once if you are created the 2D model, you have to go to features. I have to create a cube, so I am going to extruded boss. Once the sketch is selected, you have to select extruded boss. Once if you are selected, it will turn into 3D environment. It will ask for the thickness of the object. As we are drawing the cube, I will give this also as 50. So here you have to give dimension. Here also there are many options, blind up to vertex like that we will see in another diagrams. So here I am just giving 50. We can click this for seeing preview also, and once if you are clicking tick mark, the object will be created. And this zoom.
Okay.